Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for a while, but I want to first and foremost start off by saying Happy New Year. 2019 is the year of leveling up and becoming the best you can be. So let's start the year off right. Today I'm going to do a look based solely off using the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette. Last night I swatched some colors together that I never used before on this palette, and I said, hey, what the heck, I'm just gonna try something new, something that's way out of my comfort zone, and hopefully it comes out the way I envisioned it in my head. So I already did my brows off camera, and I'm going to set my eyelids again because I can see them creasing again. So I'm just going to take my ColourPop No Filter Concealer and just prime my lid and get ready for this eyeshadow I'm about to do. So while that sets, I just want to let you guys know that I ran out of foundation. Like right when I was getting ready to set up and record this video, I realized I didn't have any more foundation left. So I went to my Walgreens, which is right around the corner from my house, and literally the CoverGirl Queen Collection foundation that I always use was out of stock. They didn't have anything. So now I'm freaking out. I'm like, oh my God, what am I gonna get? My next best option is the True Match. They didn't have my shade. I wanted to cry inside. So I went and I tested out this Milani Conceal Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer in the color Golden Toffee. I'm really hoping that it's my shade. If it's not, don't kill me, y'all. I'm gonna just have to do the face. And maybe if it's too light, I'll just contour the heck out of my face so that it blends all together. But that's just a disclaimer. So don't come for me if my foundation do not match. It's not my fault. I really could have went to the CVS down the block, but I was being lazy. So bear with me, y'all. Bear with me. It was so funny because the other day I was doing my makeup with the last bit of the Queen Collection All Day Flawless 3-in-1 foundation that I always use on my face, and I was literally scraping the crap out of it, and my best friend was laughing at me. I was like, listen, I gotta get my money's worth, okay? So yeah. Alright, we're gonna start doing this eyeshadow. I am going to be doing a smoky brown with a hint of blue. It looked nice on my hand, so I'm really hoping that it all comes together in the end. So yeah. I'm going to start off with the color Milani, which is this brownish color right here. And I'm just gonna go in with my blending brush from the Bespoke brushes set that I got on Amazon. I literally got this brush set for $8. It doesn't have numbers on it. Not really fancy with the brushes, to be honest. As long as the look comes out the way it's supposed to come out, like, I'm not really tripping. But it looks like this. And I'm just going to start blending that on the eye. Well, actually, I'm going to pat it in first. I'm going to pat it in. But do y'all see that color? Oh my gosh. Wow. Y'all don't see it yet, but y'all gonna see it. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. I would normally use tape just so I have a cleaner finish when it comes to eyeshadow, but since we're winging it today, we're just gonna wing the eyeshadow placement too. Just gonna pat this on. If y'all knew how long it took me to get that intro together, you guys would laugh. Maybe I should put some bloopers at the end. I was like getting so frustrated at the intro. So I'm just gonna keep patting it on, building the It's so crazy because as I'm applying this a little bit more, I feel like Milani gets darker at the crease and then gets lighter closer to the lid. Oh no. I really want this to be a darker color, but I guess it's just gonna be warm. Like, I don't think it gets any darker than this. I'm gonna go in with Zulu and blend everything together. Zulu might give me the color payoff that I'm looking for. Oh. Okay, Zulu, I'm not mad at you. I'm not mad at you. That's looking pretty cute. So I'm gonna go in with the color Chi, which is this indigo looking blue right here. I'm actually gonna use my finger to swatch that on my lid because I feel like the color payoff is so much better. I'm gonna use my finger. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. So, I'm not feeling this brown. Like, I really want it to be a little deeper. So I really wanted this to only be a Juvia's Place Masquerade palette video, but although you can still, I feel like this will come out so much better if the Fulani color was a little bit more deeper, but I'm not getting that color that I want. So I'm going to use my Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette, and I'm gonna go in with Triple Fudge and see if that will deepen the color for me. Yep. Triple Fudge is already giving me that color that I like, that I wanted in the first place. Because it's a deeper brown. But you know what? I'm actually going to go in with Zulu again and just blend those two colors together. Go in with a little black. So yeah, I'm gonna go with a little black from this e.l.f. palette that I got. This is my first palette ever. I like that. I like that. That came out, that gave it a finishing touch. That gave it the finishing touch. Yep, sure did. Sure did. Eyeliner is such a nerve-wracking thing to do. Oh my gosh. Who else feels that way? I feel like it's so crucial. I feel like eyeliner and mascara is the most crucial part of doing your makeup. Because you don't want to mess up. Especially, it's like doing your nails. Like when you're painting your own nails, obviously the hand that's your dominant hand is going to come out like crap. Your dominant hand, you see? Look at me. I'm already like gibbeting and fidgeting. Oh, give me the strength, Lord. And I feel like people have done so many videos on how to do your eyeliner, and I'm just like, yeah, noted, but still don't got it. Still don't got it, y'all. Ah! Oh God. This left eye always comes out horrible. Always. Never fails. Bear with me, y'all. Bear with me. Oh my gosh. Not gonna hold y'all. I really think I put on these lashes backwards. But they look good, so I'm gonna just leave it as is. I'm gonna leave it as is, honey. Because it don't make no sense taking them off and redoing it again. I don't got nowhere to go. It is not that serious. Foundation brush. Oh, honey. This is too red. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is too red. But as far as coverage, it's bomb. So like I said, y'all, we just gonna have to make it work. But this is most definitely not my color. And we're gonna see. We're gonna see how it looks. We're gonna see how it looks after I finish the face. But this, by the initial look of it, it is too red. Oh my God. I look like, oh my God. Oh my God. This is too red. No way. No way. Oh my God. Look at my face and look at my neck. Too red. This is going right back to Walgreens because absolutely not. Baking with my CoverGirl Clean Professional Loose Powder in the color 125. And you can get this at your local drugstore too. I don't remember how much I paid for this because I had this for a while. But I think it was no more than $5. Don't quote me on that once again because I don't remember how much it was. But I don't think I paid more than $5. Hopefully it's not more than that because then that'll be embarrassing. So I'm just gonna bake. One thing about this powder though, you don't want to do this if you're wearing white, a white shirt, and you know you're messy with white shirts. Do not, I repeat, do not put this on while you have that shirt on. Use a towel or something, because this powder is really loose. Like, they did not lie about that. I am going to go in with my Aesthetica palette, Contour Series Powder Tan to Dark. And I'm going to set my contour. And now for the best part. Ooh, hold on, I didn't switch it. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Oh my, yeah, hold on now. Hold on now. I have not used this in so long. But this highlight, y'all. Oh my gosh, Carly. Girl. Gosh darn. I wasn't even ready. I wasn't ready. I haven't used this in so long. But this highlight. This looks so good. Pat myself on the back. Alright. So now I'm going to go in and set my face with the Wet n Wild Matte Finish Setting Spray. Rejuvenated. Hello world, how are you? Wow, this looks so good. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, I'm back. This is a finished product. I would so recommend this look for anybody that wants to go to the club, anything that involves nightlife. This would be a perfect look for you guys. I did enjoy doing this look, even though, you know, I had some complications, especially with the foundation, but everything worked out. I hope you guys liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Like, comment, and subscribe, and watch out for the next video.